Remote jobs no experience needed near me are everywhere. From the comfort of your own home, you can work for companies like Aetna, a health insurance company. There are part-time, freelance, and full-time positions available, and many companies are willing to train new employees. A few examples of companies hiring people with no experience are listed below. Alternatively, you can search for a position on Aetna's website. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. He will discuss remote jobs no experience needed near me. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside.
Okay, we just want to keep you on your P's and Q's just to make sure you realize that there are remote jobs near you, okay, in your local area. So tonight we're going to go through a few jobs where we can show you how to navigate and find these jobs. And we're going to go through a few jobs announcements that are there and see if you're interested in it. They're very powerful jobs, very good paying jobs. So let's just take a look at these remote jobs and see if they're jobs for you.
Okay, you see me at a familiar site. I wanted to do another video tutorial on remote jobs, no experience, near you. Now, I'm not going to type in a city tonight, but you can come in and type your own city. But what I want to do is I want to do this where you can see, you know, sometime when you do go locally, you don't get that good of a salary. So today, even though this title is remote jobs that are near, is actually near you. So, but we want to be able to research it and make sure you know how to navigate the type of jobs that you want. So what I want to let you know is, even though the jobs that we're talking about today have no experience, one thing I want to let you know, to make sure you always have some kind of skill. If you do not have a skill, you need to develop you a skill, simply because they need people up and ready to roll right then and there. So I'm just telling you, you want to have some sort of skill. If it's not knowing Microsoft Office, let's talk about Word, Excel. Now I know Access and all those things are extra stuff, at least PowerPoint. And you can take the initiative and learn all these things on YouTube, absolutely free. So let's just go ahead and take a look at some of these listings of these jobs that we have here, and maybe it will be something that you're interested in. So let's kind of thumb through and look at this one here. And these are good paying jobs. This is a pension defined benefit plan administrator. And just look at some of the things that they have. They pay $45,000 to $55,000 a year. They have benefit, health insurance, 401k, paid time off. You want to do that, and that's nice to have that as a remote job, and it's actually full time. So that is really killer here. That is really killer. And it says it has the full job description. And I'm just gonna read some and this is what they say. I'm gonna read just a little excerpt of it. It says, we currently have an open for entry-level defined benefit plan administrative, and no experience is necessary, as we provide full on-job training. Qualified candidates will depend on multitaskers who possesses excellence, communication, organization, math and computer skill, and the ability to work independently in a team-oriented environment. A degree such as accounting, finance, mathematics, actually science, general business is a must. Now they said no experience is necessary, and then they talked about degree. So I don't know. What I need to find out is, this is how you can connect with them and ask them what they're looking for. But yeah, they do have 401k, health insurance, paid time off. So, and it tells you its location it's in Phoenix, Arizona. And what I will do, you connect with the people and see what they're looking for. I mean, if you want a job, you'll be aggressive. You don't want to be passive, because passiveness does not feed your kids. Passiveness does not pay for a car note. Passiveness does not pay for your health and skew, and passive if not set you up for retirement. Okay, now let's go to the next one. And I do see this saying that some experience is equivalent to a bachelor degree, and this one is covered customer service assistant, and it's remote, but it's in the Boston area. So you can work from anywhere if it's even in the Boston area. Anyway, look at all these benefits they have. They have health insurance, disability insurance, dental, 401k, flexible spending account. Let me tell you something about the 401k. That most of your companies, if you are a young person that's just getting started, you want to invest in 401k. You want to have some kind of retirement to do, or you'll work till you die. Let's just see what this is all about. Duties and responsibility. This is $15 to $19 an hour. Most of your customer service jobs are around the $20 an hour job. So this is what these duties are. These duties are duties and responsibilities. New applications, process document, review, process, store, host, partner, vetting document, shipment document and material, domestically and internationally, day-to-day reporting, one insurance claim, invoicing and assistant, Intuit /QuickBooks transaction. So if I was you, I would do some tutorial on those things. So you want to come down here and take a look at some of these things. Let's look at the required experience. Previous experience in customer service, airport, retail, restaurant, office. Bachelor degree or equivalent to the experience. So that's not saying you have to have that degree. You just need to have the experience. Strong time management skills. I'm going to tell you something that I just want you to understand that when you have a remote job and it's at your house, that's one thing you really gonna have to develop, because you can get relaxed in these remote jobs at the house and your time management skills can lack. That's where you got to get focused, and you have to have a room set aside where you're not involved with other things. So like I said, go ahead and take a look at these jobs right here. They say you can start as early as February the 14th. Okay, so let's go down here to this one, which is a very nice job. It's $2,000 to $4,000 a month. A very good job. And the name of this is sales / designer. And let's go ahead and look at what you might be doing. What are we looking for in people? We're looking for people who have great people skill, fun and outgoing personality, a creative side, and reliable transportation. Don't know what it means by reliable transportation. If it's a remote job, it is a remote job. Okay, we offer the following: no call presets appointment, products and sales training, provide excellent marketing material, great support for team and managers, work out your own home, flexible schedule, full-time, part-time employees available to thrive in a full commission / bonus sales environment. So I'm taking it though, this is something your performance makes you be better in this particular job. So this is what I'm thinking this job is. So just take a look and see if it's for you. Okay, let's go over to this next job, another customer service, and let's just, it's got a lot of benefits, and let's see what our responsibility, and it's of health, United Health Group. So, and it's been 17,000 reviews, 17.5. You're gonna be on calls in this particular job. You work 40 hours a week, 8-hour shifts. I was trying to see what they pay. They have benefits too as well. So you want to take advantage of those benefits as well. All you have to do is have a high school diploma. They want minimum 3-year combination education, volunteer experience. But man, you can, in a job like that, if you have passion and you can have a good resume. One thing I do say, you do have to have a resume, and gear your resume towards the job that you apply for. And let me look here. It says military / veterans find your next mission. Yeah. So that they are, if you're out there and you're military and you retired and you won't seek other employment, hey, here's the perfect one to you. It's between $15 and $25 an hour. It depends on where you live at. In some places 15.77 to 27.29 per hour. So just take a look at this job. This is pretty good. And we will go to one more. Let's take a look at one more. Trying to keep these videos around 10 minutes because the attention spans can lack when it comes to videos, you know, just like that. But if you're hungry and you're looking for some work, you'll stay here. You'll stay here. Now this job right is a part-time remote administrative. It's 16.50 to 17.50 an hour. And let's look at some of the description. The part-time administrative assistance for psychology group. I don't know if you need to know anything about it. What I want to see, strong candidate will be interested in working with us for at least 1 year. 15 to 25 hours a week. Strong written and verbal communication skill. Willing to use your own car and cell phone to occasionally drive to minimum miles reimbursed. So it says remote. You will have to get with them and find out what they mean with this moving from one place to another. But like I said, it's better to have a remote job that have you moving a little bit every time, just a little bit, where you don't have to go that far. Okay, I want to do one more because I see a good one coming up. Let's go to this one. This one here is a pretty good job, 30 to almost 40,000. It's a lab tech, and it's a remote. I don't know how you would do a lab tech in your remote. You'll have to come in and look at the description. It says a bachelor degree in biology. Yeah, so this one here will have to have a degree. So, but just want to kind of let you know that is there. But like I said, come in and we can go to the top of the page, and I typed in no experience remote, even though they require some experience, but it depends on your interview, and it depends on how aggressive you are as far as wanting to be hired. Let me tell you this, before you go into these jobs, if you're really passionate about the actual job and you feel like you should be hired, be passionate and be aggressive. You know, let them people know that you really want to get hired. So guys, I want to go ahead and cut this short, and I always ask for you to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'll see you on the next training.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.